Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is going to be a 2-pack of 4x4 post lights. 30 LED, 35 lumen outdoor lights. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. We want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So there are two different options. You can either get this in white or you can get it in clear plastic. I went with the clear plastic. I will link this video to the appropriate item in case you're interested in buying the same item. Give you a quick look at the instruction manual. Should be pretty simple. Now they're designed for a 4x4 post. I'm actually going to be sitting them out near some planters I have in my yard. Give you some mounting screws. Mounting hardware. And then you get two of these lights. Again, solar power. Basically a solid plastic housing. And then you've got a base here where you would run your mounting screws if you want to. Let's see how this comes off. There we go. It's going to be your on-off switch. Screw this in and then you can simply sit this on top of it. Two identical ones. I won't show you both of them. What I'm going to do now is I will put them outside, let them get charged, and show you what they look like when they light up at nighttime. All right, so I mentioned I was going to put these next to a planter. Mine just came on. I wanted to show what they look like. They look really great. The light is balanced through the whole thing. It's not one side that's brighter than the other. They look great. I'm using them as pathway markers. You can see what both of them look like. Anyway, I hope the video helps, gives you an idea of what they look like.